Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Lindsay. Today is Saturday and I'm actually in the gym parking lot. I am about to get a workout in, but I wanted to vlog today. Like I said, it is Saturday and we just have kind of a chill day. I am going to go into the gym and do some cardio, and you already know I'm sipping on my pre-workout in the parking lot, trying to convince myself to go in and do this cardio day. You guys, if you have not gotten these white blender bottles off of Amazon, you really need to look into these. They are so cute. I feel like for a blender bottle, they're really aesthetic. Because I know like we have a lot of really ugly blender bottles, like the blue ones, and these are just so cute. I feel like for a blender bottle, I got it off of Amazon. And then I just feel like with the pink pre-workout in it, it just looks so cute. So you guys should definitely get some of these. And I want to show you guys too, I started drinking a new pre-workout. When I get back home from my workout, I will show you guys the pre-workout / aminos that I've been drinking, because I actually really love this amino brand. So I will show you guys that when I get back. But then I of course have water too. I actually put a packet of electrolytes in this water. I like doing that while I'm working out. I feel like it helps me with my strength. If you are dehydrated, your strength is going to be affected by that. So make sure you stay hydrated. But yeah, we are just gonna get a little cardio day workout in. I am going to put my hat on really quick. I don't know why, I've had this hat for literally years and I wear it almost every single day to the gym, so I should probably get myself a new hat. Lately, the split that I've been doing for the gym is I've been doing like 2 leg days, 2 upper body days, and then 2 cardio days. So I have been working out like usually 6 days a week. Sometimes I don't even take a break and I just keep going, which I know kind of sounds like ridiculous, but the gym is like my only escape. Not that I need an escape from my kids, but it's my only me time really right now. And I feel like me time is so important, just to like mentally recharge and just make sure that like I'm my best self for my kids. So it's kind of like that time for me, and it just makes me feel good. I'm in this season of my life right now where I'm, you know, going through like postpartum emotions and all of that, and working out makes me feel good. So I'm here like honestly 6 or 7 days a week, and even if I'm just doing like light things, it just makes me feel good to be here. So I don't really think there's anything wrong with that. Also, I just wanted to show you guys my new gym bag. She is so cute. My mom got this for my birthday. It's funny, it kind of like blends in with the interior of my car, which don't mind the mess in my car, but this gym bag is so cute. I'm obsessed, and it has so much space. So love this. Okay, I am home from the gym now, and I'm going to make something to eat. So I'm gonna do scrambled eggs, and these are just the cage-free brown eggs, and then I'm going to do some sausage. This is from the like meat market at the grocery store, and then I'm gonna do probably half of an avocado on a piece of sourdough bread. So I'm going to make this, and I'll show you guys how it all looks when it comes together.
and tasty.
So breakfast is done. So we did the scrambled eggs, sourdough bread with some mashed up avocado, salt, pepper, everything but the bagel seasoning, and then just 2 sausages. So I'm going to eat this, and then after I eat this, I want to show you guys the new pre-workout slash aminos that I've been using. So I'll show you guys that here in a second. Here she is, Amino Lean, and I can't remember who I saw talking about this, but I know it was somebody, I think, on Instagram. And it has 5 grams of amino acids. It has some caffeine, and it has like an energy and focus blend, and then a weight management blend. And this was only $25, which is so affordable. I really like this flavor specifically. It's pink lemonade, and I feel like a lot of like aminos or pre-workouts have such a strong flavor and taste to them, and kind of almost like that sour taste. If you guys drink pre-workouts, you know exactly what I'm talking about, but this does not have that. It's so light, which I love. And yeah, I just feel like it's a pretty good deal. I found it on Amazon, and it has 30 servings. I do 2 scoops, which is only 125 milligrams of caffeine, which is perfect for me for a workout. I know some people like to have more than that. You could just do more scoops then if that's you, but I love this, and I feel like it's a really good find from Amazon, so I'm gonna link it for you guys below. They do have other flavors. I don't know if they are also kind of more like mild tasting or if they're a little bit stronger, but I do highly recommend the pink lemonade flavor. I just wanted to show you guys my gym fit details really quick. I would show you in my full length mirror in my room, but my newborn son is sleeping in our room right now. He's napping, and I do not want to wake him up. And then my bathroom is attached to our bedroom, and so I just don't want to risk waking him up. So I am in Morris's bathroom, but I wanted to show you guys anyways. So top is from Crazy Yoga. I actually have a haul with them up on my channel, and I do still have a coupon code if you guys want to shop any of their products. I'll put the coupon code in the description box, and then I'll also link everything. So I think you guys can get like 10% off, I think, of any of their products with my code. So I'll have that in the description box, like I said. And then these leggings, you can't see them as well as I would like, but the leggings are from Amazon, and I think I've already shown them in a haul before on my channel, but I'm going to link them. They are so flattering. I love these, and I need to get more colors actually, because I wear these all the time, and they're very stretchy and just really comfortable, but also flattering. I feel like they really just suck you in all the right places, and I need that right now, being 7 weeks postpartum. But yeah, so really cute legging. And then these are actually obviously not a set, but I am wearing them as a set because I feel like they're pretty close in color. Maybe in this lighting you can tell a little better, but I feel like in person you can't tell as much. They're both like an olivey green color, so I feel like it works. And then this zip up is actually from H&M. It's a size medium. And I really love like this gray wash. I feel like you can wear this with a lot of different things, and it's super cute and comfortable, and it's a very good quality. I feel like it's a little bit better quality than like those Hanes zip ups off of Amazon. So we are a big fan of this, and it's actually a little bit of like a shorter zip up because, like I said, I got a size medium, but I feel like it's still is like oversized but not too long, which I like. But yeah, super cute little gym fit. I will link everything below for you guys. Both of my sons are currently sleeping right now, and Morris is at the gym. So right now is my time to get like a bunch of stuff done. So that's what I'm gonna start doing. I need to clean up the kitchen from breakfast. I need to get some laundry started. And then I also have a video I need to edit. I really want to get that video up ASAP. So that is kind of the plan right now. And then like I said, later I am going to make a little Trader Joe's run, and then I'll do a haul for you guys. And then I think that will actually probably wrap this video up. Hi guys, so it is actually a couple days later, and I realized that I never showed you guys the haul that I told you I was going to show. I actually didn't go that day. I just went yesterday, so I thought I would show you. I said I was going to Trader Joe's, which I did, and I got a couple things, but I actually got a bunch of stuff at Target, and I just wanted to kind of go over it, show you guys everything. Keep in mind, so we already did like our main grocery shop where we got like our produce, our meats, our fruit, all of that stuff. So we have like our grains and just like everything to make meals. These are more like snacky items, and I just wanted to show you guys what I got because I told you guys I'm trying to lose weight, but I still want to like be able to enjoy things like alternatives for soda, like snacks and desserts, and this is gonna last me a really long time too. So I just wanted to show you guys real quick. So really fast, what I got from Trader Joe's, I got this Mediterranean salad kit, and I've had this before. It's actually really good, and the dressing with it I actually really like. It's really good with like chicken or steak as a side. And then I got a couple protein bars. Love this brand Barbells. They're 20 grams of protein. I got a couple of the No Joke ginger shots. These are really good. Just make me feel good too. And then one thing I wanted to show you guys, like I said, I went grocery shopping yesterday and got these things, so I did already eat some of it. So this is one of those. This is the lemon arugula salad from Trader Joe's, and it has like carrots, I think it's almonds and Parmesan cheese, and I actually really like the salad. It comes with like a lemon vinaigrette, and I will be honest, the lemon vinaigrette is like very strong, like the lemon in it. So I did end up mixing it with some avocado oil, and that kind of diluted it and made it really yummy. It's a huge salad, so I didn't eat all of it, but I do really like it. I feel like it has a good crunch, so I wanted to show you guys that, even though it's not in the bag anymore. All right, so that is going to conclude everything I got from Trader Joe's. So next we'll move on to Target. I did get the Nut Pods creamer in the hazelnut flavor. This is an almond and coconut creamer, and it has no sugar and only 10 calories per serving. So I'm going to start adding this into my coffee. I'm actually late to the game on this. I know that this has been really popular, and I have actually never tried it. So I am going to give this a try in my lattes. And then I did get a couple of green juices. I got the Mighty Dozen, which has apple, celery, cucumber, kale, and collard greens. And then I got the Uber Greens, which has cucumber, celery, grapefruit, green chard, and lettuce. And then I did get a couple Olippops. I love having just like something with dinner, but I don't want it to have caffeine. What I usually like is like Pepsi Zero or Coke Zero, but I know those aren't the best for you, and they do have caffeine, so I don't drink those like at dinner. So these will be perfect for me to have during dinner. I got the strawberry vanilla and then the classic root beer, and then these actually are a lot better than getting like a Coke Zero because they are probiotic, and then they have plant fiber in them, so they are a little bit better for your gut. And then next up are a couple things that I got for Roman. So I did get the Bonza mac and cheese. I got the like classic cheddar and then the white cheddar. I don't know if I've ever had the classic cheddar before. I've definitely had the white cheddar and I love it, but like I said, I got these for him. These are really easy lunch, and I love the macros on them because they have, let's see if we can get it to focus. They have like more protein than a normal mac and cheese. So they have 15 grams of protein per half of the box. So I love that. And I also love that they're made from chickpeas. And then of course I got his favorite little like fruit pouches. These are the Once Upon a Farm. So I got 2 of the strawberry banana and then 2 of the coconut mango and then 1 of the berry. The coconut mango is his favorite, and then he really likes these as well. And then I just got the berry to kind of switch it up just so that he's not constantly eating the same things, because that's how they get very burnt out on food. Okay, moving on to kind of like the snacky things that I got for myself. I said in the last video I have a really bad sweet tooth and I do really like candy. So I got the Smart Sweets. I've been eating these for a couple years now. There's only 3 grams of sugar and they're only 100 calories. So I did go ahead and get the peach rings, the Sour Blast Buddies, and then the watermelon. I would say that these 2 are my favorite, the watermelon and the peach rings. They're plant-based. I don't think I said that, but they have a lot of fiber, so that's really good. We love fiber here. And then I had to get the Sweet Lorenz cookies. These are my favorite. I almost got 2 packages. I almost got the chocolate chunk and the fudgy brownie one, but I'm like, okay, let's just do 1 package. This should last me a long time because there's 12 cookies and I'll probably only eat like 2 at a time. But these are completely vegan, dairy-free, and gluten-free, which is amazing. And then I got the Halo Top birthday cake ice cream. I've been eating Halo Top for literally years. This whole pint is 300 calories, but the serving size is 1/3 of a pint, which is only 100 calories. We love that. And then I did get another ice cream item that I'll just show you guys. This flavor is so bomb. The fudge brownie, they have like little fudge brownie pieces throughout the bar. I have had these before. Again, only 100 calories, a really good sweet tooth at night. And then I did pick up a couple of the Hue chocolates. Love this brand for chocolate. The ingredients are very, very clean and very good. I did get a milk chocolate. I'm usually like a dark chocolate girly, but I wanted to try the milk chocolate. I've never tried it before from their brand, so I'm gonna try this one. It's the cashew butter milk chocolate, and then I got the crunchy mint dark chocolate. So love this brand for chocolate bars. And then this is, I got this from Morris. I think I've shown this on my very first YouTube video ever. I made the creme brulees from Target, and they're actually really good. I recommend it if you like creme brulee. I got these both for him. I'm not going to eat these. Creme brulee is like his favorite dessert, so I'm like, you can just have it. I have other things that I'm going to eat that are more like calorie friendly, and I'm not crazy about creme brulee. I like it, but it's not my favorite. I'd rather eat something else. So got this for him, but if you do like creme brulee, check it out. And then one other little random thing, I got this e.l.f. Holy Hydration face cream from Target, and this is actually my 3rd time buying this cream. I love it. I am obsessed with it. I use it in the morning, at night, and it has very good ingredients. It has hyaluronic acid, peptides, niacinamide, squalene, vitamin B5, so it is really good. I got this recommendation from Skincare with Hiram, and I started using it when I was pregnant, and I'm obsessed with it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Hopefully it gave you some ideas. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm getting back into vlogging a lot more. I want to try to get at least 1 video up a week. So please subscribe and turn the post notification on so that you get notified whenever I post. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.